Right, now I've got a time lapse of the moon with the tent in shot. I think this is what I keep putting in the side pocket. Just put it in the side pocket. Right, now let's get these flatbeds sorted. So let's move that out of the way. So need to get them wet inside and out. Right. So I just need to wet my hands a little bit. One. So just drop it on the floor. Okay. One for me. Okay. Now, let's stoke the fire. Okay. Air lights are starting to diminish, I think. That chair's blocking the view. I don't need that chair anymore. Get that out of the way. Right, just got to change the O lights on the tent again. So please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video.